Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Looking for the best open source firewall in 2025? Then the Ipfire, Opnsense or the Pfsense. Let's compare the performance, features, and security in just this video. So the Ipfire, it is lightweight, fast, and ideal for DIY firewalls or low-powered hardware. Offer strong features like intrusion detection, the suricata or QoS, and VPN support. And web UI is basic but snappy, best for home users or small office who want speed and simplicity. Lacks some advanced enterprise features. Now let's talk about the Opnsense. So Opnsense, based on free BSD, open source, and highly modular, has a modern UI, built-in two-factor authentication, traffic shaping, and a full plugin system. Great IDS and IPS with the Suricata plus Xenar, and it is best for users who want an easy interface and deep customization, but slightly higher resource uses than Ipfire. Now let's talk about the Pfsense, the most mature and widely used open source firewall. So offers powerful enterprise features like CARP, failover, VLANs, and advanced routing, OpenVPN, and IPsEC. So strong community but limited features in Pfsense CE versus Pfsense Plus. Best for advanced users and businesses. UI is dated and licensing is stricter now. So you should pick Ipfire for simplicity and low resource setups. Choose Opnsense for flexibility and clean UI. Go with Pfsense for enterprise grade control and performance. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment below which you are going to prefer. Thanks for watching. Till next time.